What's going on, guys? Nicholas here. I'm super excited to announce that Simplealgo V4 is officially launching today. This is our biggest and most powerful update yet, and in this video, I'll quickly walk you through what's new, who gets access, and what's changing for legacy members. So, first things first, all current active subscribers will automatically receive access to V4. So if you're currently paying weekly or monthly, you will automatically receive this update. Additionally, if you purchased a lifetime membership within the last 6 months after we raised the prices, you will also keep access and receive access to V4. If you purchased access over a year ago, you will no longer have access to version 2, version 3, or version 4. You will keep access to Simplealgo version 1 and all of the WAP channels. The reason we're doing this is to keep it fair for all of our current active subscribers, and this helps us push out more updates and make more indicators for you guys. Nonetheless, we are still very grateful for all of our legacy subscribers and all of our day ones, so feel free to use code LEGACY at checkout for 30% off your subscription, or you could shoot me a DM on WAP if you're interested in a updated lifetime membership. So to claim access to Simplealgo V4, all you have to do is go to your indicators tab, go to your invite only scripts, and it should pop up in your invite only scripts tab. When you enable the indicator, it's going to look something like this. All you have to do is double click any of the buy or sell signals, and then the settings tab is going to pop up. Here you'll be able to adjust your sensitivity mode. You'll be able to change all your overlays such as the reversal bands and whatnot, and you'll be able to adjust your automatic risk management features. The sensitivity modes are low, medium, and high. If you're on the lower sensitivity, it's going to print less signals, but they're going to be more accurate. And if you're on a higher sensitivity, it's going to print more signals, but it's going to be less accurate. So if you're a scalper and you want to make more trades and have more opportunities, then you would trade on a higher sensitivity. And if you like to take your trades a lot slower, then you would trade on a lower sensitivity. Now let's take a look at some of the overlays. First off, we have our reversal bands, and they're pretty self-explanatory. When price reaches the upper red reversal bands, it is more likely to retrace back down. And when price reaches the lower green reversal bands, it is more likely to reverse back up. These are just like the reversal bands in the previous versions of Simplealgo, but these are much more refined, and they're able to tell oversold and overbought market conditions much more accurately. The active trend indicator is also very self-explanatory. It can be used as an extra added confirmation, or it could be used as a trailing stop loss for either your short or long positions. Then we have the trend cloud, and I like to use this in conjunction with the active trend feature. I use the trend cloud as a trailing stop and the active trend feature as added confirmation on my entries. The signal line will be red when it's in a sell signal and green when it's in a buy signal, and it's made to tell you how strong the signal is. So if price is trading greatly above the green signal line, then you are in a strong buy signal, and if it's trading greatly below the red signal line, then you are in a very strong sell signal. If it's very choppy and it's trading in the middle of the candlesticks, then you're in a pretty weak signal. Now let's get to the most important feature and most important update, which is the new take profit system. So these little take profit levels that you see after a buy or a sell signal are meant for scalpers and day traders, and it'll automatically identify the best time to get out of your signal for a profit. This is recommended to use if you trade below the 30-minute time frame. So if you trade on the 5-minute or the 15-minute or the 1-minute, then I would use these take profit levels. Now, if you're a swing trader or you trade on the 30-minute time frame or above, then I would use the other risk management feature that you see on my chart right now. Here you'll be able to adjust everything from the cosmetic appearance, like the lines and the distance of the lines, to how many decimals show on the take profit levels, and you'll also be able to adjust your risk percentage. So if you want to increase your risk but also increase your reward, you would just up this risk percentage number, and if you want to decrease your risk but also decrease your reward, you would just lower that risk percentage number. But no matter what that number is, it is set so that you will always be risking less than your potential reward, and that's what day trading is all about. It's all about risk management and always having a good risk to reward setup. That's all for today's video. I'm definitely going to be releasing a strategy guide with the new Simplealgo V4 indicator very, very shortly, probably sometime this week or next week. I want to thank everyone again that's in the Simplealgo community for your support. Whether you've been here since day one or you just joined, we wouldn't be here without you. So I highly recommend you guys go check out the new Simplealgo version 4. Let us know what you think, and as always, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next update.